How to create a graph in MS Word. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on this video we will learn how we can create a graph in Word. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up Word. After you have opened it up, navigate to the toolbar at the top and from there head towards Insert. And under Insert tab, there you will see various illustrations options. So from there you have to click on Chart. And again, here you can choose your preferred chart, whether you want to insert this kind of bar chart or if you want to insert the line graph, if you want to insert pie chart, and there is more options as clustered bar. And so from here, choose your preferred graph or chart. So for now, I will just insert this bar diagram right here. Once done, click on OK. And as you can see, the chart has been, or this bar graph has been inserted. Now with the help of this Excel sheet or this Excel file, you can simply enter your preferred data. So under category, you can choose your preferred data. So from here, fill up your preferred data. And once you're done, you can simply close this and you will have your bar chart or graph created in Word. Again, if you want to edit some data, you have to right click on it and then click on edit data, and now again you would be able to edit your data. And that's how you can create graph or charts in Word. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.